We drove over to St. George from Kanab today, made a little pit stop at Gooseberry Mesa along the way so my husband could go mountain biking. We're here now at Snow Canyon State Park. We're here to watch the sunset, so come along. I've been to Snow Canyon State Park a couple of times for sunset. Both times I've gone to the Petrified Dunes area, and there is always a photo shoot or 3 happening there. It's a really cool, pretty area, so it's understandable. But today we're on the Lava Tubes Trail, switching it up. Very pretty, but I will say hiking on lava rocks is not that enjoyable. One thing that I really like about Utah state parks is that they are very dog friendly compared to the national parks in Utah. Since we're currently traveling with Beckett, it's just really convenient. So we're currently looking at some dinosaur tracks. There are a few different types of dinosaurs that are here. These are Kayentopus tracks. Never heard of the Kayentopus, but seems pretty cool. My crash. I'm truthfully a little too nervous to try that. Of course, William makes it look easy peasy. How's the view from up there?